So hi guys, welcome to the channel. Myself Shubham, currently studying in University of Perpetual Help in Philippines. So it's been a while since I last uploaded my video. I think it was 17 to 18 days back when I uploaded my last video. But first of all, Happy New Year to all of you, and it's like the first day of the year. Try to be productive, try to do some good things, try to study, and obviously try to prosper in your life. And in this video, I'll be discussing mainly about three things. Okay, I'll give you three advices to all my juniors or to all those who are watching this video. I think this is going to be very useful for you all guys, because this was the problem I had faced, and hopefully you will also come to such a phase in your life that these will implement in your life. Okay, like these are the situations that generally a NET UG aspirant or who are doctors they experience in their life. So hopefully these will just get you through this phase in your life. So coming to the 3 points that I'll be discussing. Okay, the first one is you need to keep all your options open. Okay, like if you're thinking that FMG or NET PG is everything after you complete your MBBS, and your degree won't be valid if you don't clear all these exams like FMG or NET PG. It isn't the thing, guys. It is a licensing exam only for India. Okay, you have other options also. You need to keep all your options open. Like if you are coming and giving FMG and then you are giving NET PG, okay, you need to keep other options open. Okay, like you can look for other countries. It might be UK, Germany, Singapore, Dubai or USA, all other countries. You need to keep all the options open, because now you are free. Okay, like this is the Christmas holidays that are going on. You have a lot of time, you can research, and you need to keep at least one or two backups. Because for example, okay, when we were in NET UG, when we were preparing for that, suppose anyone is studying in LN or Akas, you might know the reality of that thing, that they push you for only NET UG. They say like it's everything, you need to clear NET UG and all that blah blah blah. They keep on creeping in your ears that NET UG is everything and you need to clear NET UG. Okay, but the reality is after you come into medical college, then you think life is beyond NET UG. Like you have to clear FMG, you have to clear NET PG, and if you want to go for super speciality, you need to clear those exams also to get into MD or MS. So it's not like NET UG is everything. They try to motivate you, like the motivation sessions goes on in the LN, you know, like every month the motivation session goes on, so that they keep you motivated to get you clear NET UG. And also the thing is, there is also business perspective to that, because they want the results to be good. That is also like you are also getting benefits of that, but still I would literally recommend you to keep your options open. Okay, because this is also a thing that there are around 16 lakh students giving NET UG. I think this year there were 16 lakh, only 50,000 would get into medical colleges. Okay, so this means around more than 15 lakh students don't basically get a medical college. Okay, so I think there would be around 13-14 lakh students who don't do like MBBS. Okay, who have the dream of doing doctors, they've given NET UG and they won't be able to like get a seat in a medical college, might be India or abroad. So what would they do? Okay, because we have been growing in such an environment that our motive is to clear NET UG and we don't have a backup plan of that. Okay, so I think it's better you need to have a plan B or C. Like if I don't clear NET UG, so what would be the next step? Because those 3 to 4 months when we sit alone, like sorry, not alone, okay, when we're sitting at home and the counseling goes on and all that stuff, and we know at the back of our mind that we're not going to clear or not going to get a seat in medical college. Okay, so this is one of the lowest phases of someone's life, because these 4-5 months literally like count as hell, because you get to hear a lot of things that you were preparing for, that you didn't clear and all that stuff. And for 5 months obviously the colleges don't open, counseling goes on, then only you get to go to any college, like if you pursue BSc or biotech, anything. Okay, and taking bio also restricts your career options. That is also a thing. So yeah, I think you need to keep your plans open. Like if you're doing MBBS from abroad and you are thinking of FMG or NET PG, or in future like 2 years from now next, you need to keep your options open. Okay, you have time, do research, look for the exams, and because the portion is going to be same, okay, it isn't anything different, so you can give or write those exams Obviously, if you clear, it's going to be very good for you, but still try to keep all your options open. So guys, if anyone is thinking to contact me, obviously check out the description. You'll get something to connect to me. Like you can follow me on Instagram, or you can DM me in my WhatsApp, so that we can connect. And obviously do subscribe to the channel. It will be highly appreciated, because most of you are not subscribed to the channel. And another point is, you're having a lot of doubts, I know. So if you have doubts, you can comment in the comment box, and in the next video I'll pick all the comments, all the doubts you're having, and I'll clear all those doubts, so that in this new year you won't have any doubts. Basically, like, at least I'll try to clear some doubts about medical, MBBS or MBBS in Philippines, all the doubts you're having. And in future I'll be getting you the videos of how to read in anatomy, or how to read physiology, so that you start reading. Because I have been like saying from the start that start reading now anatomy, physio, but I had not said you how to read or from where to read. So I'll get these information through videos. And then coming to the second point, that is start reading. You all know morning show is the day. This is the first day of the year, and you can make it a routine of studying daily, because I know a lot of the students who are in AB psychology are literally away from studying from a long time, because obviously NEET UG was over, and then you all would be chilling and the counseling, and then some who are going for MBBS abroad. So your routine of studying would be hampered a lot. But from this, like from today only, the new year, you can start studying. And obviously, if you see for my example also, like obviously our exams are over and the Christmas holidays are going on, I too was not reading, okay, but I think it was 2 days prior, 30th of December, I thought of कि चलो अभी पढ़ना स्टार्ट करते हैं. ओके, सो द थिंग वाज, आई थॉट टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1st Jan, बट आई वाज लाइक कि नहीं यार, स्टार्टिंग से यही करता हूँ कि नहीं 2 दिन के बाद पढ़ेंगे, 3 दिन के बाद पढ़ेंगे. दिस इजंट राइट. ओके, सो आई स्टार्टेड टू डू इट फ्रॉम 31st December only. So but you guys have the time, like it's 1st Jan, try to keep it in your routine that 2 to 3 hours you have every time, have a slot of studying, and you don't do anything on that time. Try to keep your phones off, so that the productivity you get out of those 2-3 hours is equivalent to more. Okay, so this is it for the video, guys. Actually, I had not planned this video, I just made out this video, and these are like my raw feelings, these 2 thoughts I have. Because now the thing is, the way the scene is going on, you would have seen the protest and all that stuff, it doesn't feel good. Like when I saw the videos, I was also like saddened seeing all this stuff, that when you work so hard, become a doctor, and you're like not being fulfilled, such like 1 year is wasted, to be frank, for all the resident doctors. The counseling isn't being done. This is also a big problem. And the respect that you want as a doctor in India, it isn't, you won't get that. I think at this point it's very like, I can literally live it. I don't want to say anything about it. Yeah, मतलब कुछ दिक्कत ना हो, छोड़ो अभी. Yeah, if you like the video, do like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And hopefully this new year brings like the thing that you want. Study well, और अच्छे से पढ़ो, और try to clear all the exams that you are having. Try to have backups, try to study well, try to churn out time for studying. At least have a slot in which you can study for 2 to 3 hours. And obviously you have a lot of time. Try to spare some time for your friends and family also. That would be useful in long term, obviously. And yeah, thank you for watching, and do subscribe to the channel.